Hello everyone, I am Andre McClendon, and today I bring you Hamster Coin. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, the market information, some news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. We're looking at a Hamster with the ticker HAM, currently trading at with 703142, with a market cap of $74 million. So guys, before trading this, guys, what is Hamster Coin? Hamster Token is the first decentralized meme token of the community created in the BSC network. The Hamster Token's goal are financial freedom and not to be affected by the negativity caused by market fluctuations. Where can we find this, guys? It's on pancakeswap, MXC, and ZT. Check those out if you guys want to trade. I don't know if you can really trade it so much, but you can hodl at least. But let's see if they have a price rating. There's no price rating that's available. Also, some interesting news I found about this, and it actually just came out 2 days ago. Hamster Coin completes CertiK audit, giving away a Tesla. So, guys, check that out about their Tesla and how they passed the audit. Please check it out if you guys want to get into this cryptocurrency. Just please be knowledgeable about what you're doing before jumping in. Here's their website, guys, coinhamster.io. Check it out to learn some more about their cryptocurrency. And now their Twitter page with 85.9 thousand followers. A lot of people. If you guys want to see about that Tesla, check that out. Also follow me, Andre J. McClendon, on Twitter. If you guys want to follow me, I talk about crypto, forex trading, a lot of politics stuff. But that's it, guys. Now let's get to that price prediction. Now, guys, this has been a really wild cryptocurrency. It's been jumping pretty much all the way up and really back down. So since this cryptocurrency is doing that, I don't think trading is even a possibility. If it is, let me know on the boat, but I would not be trading this. Now, when it comes to hodling this, guys, a good price prediction actually might be a lot lower. And it's actually difficult to even giving you a price on that. But if you're looking at this chart, guys, analyzing where we're currently at, we had a massive gap, and now we're downtrending a little bit lower. We might be heading to the bottom of the support zone. So if I'm going to hodl this, guys, I'm going to be very patient and wait this one out. This is my zone that I would be re-entering if I'm going to hodl this. Because as a trader, when it comes to gaps, basically there's an open price and there's another open price. There's a big gap. If there's a massive gap, they tend to fill. So that's a big price gap that's possibly gonna fill on Hamster. If that happens and it goes down lower, I don't want to be trading and I don't want to be hodling this because I can be getting it for a cheaper price. So I'm gonna wait into this support zone before even considering re-entering. Now, if it takes off, then I missed this trade. I am incorrect. That is fine. Being wrong when it comes to trading, hodling is a part of the business. But if I'm correct and it goes down lower, I don't want to be in this area. I'm going to look at buying down here. Now, instead of placing a buy limit and getting taken, it might be running down lower. What I'm going to do is place a price alert. So once it hits down here, I can place like 2 price alerts. So when it trends down, it gets to that bottom support zone. Then I'm gonna hit my price alert. I'm gonna look at entering and seeing if I can get a cheaper price than it's currently at. Now, guys, okay, that's my price prediction, guys. This is just the support zone. I'm gonna do 2 price alerts, pretty much one in the middle, and then down in this blue, purple zone. If you have any questions in the comments how I came to that rationale or why I'm gonna do what I'm doing, please let me know. We'll have that conversation. But let's go to my website, guys. AndreJMcClendon.com. If you guys want to get on my trading course, I have that on there. You guys please check it out. It's on forex, stocks, and also some money management stuff. If you want to get on my monthly live sessions on a one-on-one basis, learning how to trade or program, then let me know. I also have my live trading program, my live trading robot running all day, so please check that out. And then please check out my cryptocurrency portion. I'm updating it, still modifying it. If you guys want to have a free stock account, please check that out. Free crypto account, free forex account, please check that out. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know, guys, what you guys think. Drop a comment below.